Hello, my name is Randy Mansfield with the Continental Tool Group. Now here's a powerhouse for you, the UT8784-5. This compact angle grinder delivers a massive 2.4 horsepower with a governed motor running up to 12,000 RPM. It's capable of handling both 4.5 and 5-inch wheels, featuring alloy steel spiral gears and a rapid adjust guard that rotates without tools. Operator-focused design includes a vibration-damped side handle, rotational rear exhaust deflector, and a spindle lock for quick wheel changes on its 5/8 spindle. This spindle lock can be located on the left or right side of the tool for operator comfort and ease of use. The spindle length is designed to safely accept threaded hub backing pads and wheels, providing adequate exposed threads to safely secure wheels. At 3.9 pounds, 9.8 inches long, and consuming 10 CFM, the UT8784-5 is compact, powerful, and designed for the latest abrasive technology.